Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Star Flames. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you do not miss another upload. So I want to talk a little bit about what I think Keisha should do going forward. So after everything that has happened, I hope everyone is at peace. Unfortunately, some persons will never be at peace no matter what. But what I sincerely hope Keisha does going forward, I hope that she takes some time from YouTube because she has enough video to get her going, and she has other stuff that also brings in money for her. So definitely she'll be able to take care of herself and her 3 kids, paying all her bills, living her best life, etc. So I definitely think that at this point, I think she should take a hiatus break and maybe visit a tropical island with the kids. I think that when she comes back to YouTube after this break, she should come back rejuvenated, already completed her surgery that she spoke about. In one of her last videos, she said that she was going to do a minor invasive surgery. So I definitely think that she should take a break. When she comes back, be rejuvenated, completed her surgery, and comes back with rebranding. And when I say rebranding, I'm talking about opportunities to capitalize on what she already has going. Like, for example, I definitely think that she should start a Patreon, because whether you want to acknowledge it or not, people love to watch Keisha. And if you should go through YouTube, you don't have to take my word for it. If you should search through YouTube, persons have been consistently talking about Keisha for the past 3 years. Practically every other 2 channels talks about her. Some persons talk about her momentarily, some persons talk about her consistently, right? So I definitely think that if she starts a Patreon, irrespective of the fact that some persons think that she's not entertaining, persons will definitely join her Patreon because they will always want to know what's going with her, because she basically give lives to other channels. And whether you want to admit it or not, some persons maybe wouldn't have a channel if it hadn't been for Keisha. Some persons were influenced by her to start a channel positively. Some persons were influenced by her to start a channel negatively. And what I mean by that is that based on what she has done, her lifestyle, whether you may agree or agree to disagree, based on her lifestyle choices, some persons really liked what they saw. Some persons believe that YouTube was an opportunity for them. And knowing that at the time when she started, she was going to Spelman, and she was able to finish Spelman and still continue her YouTube journey and not venture into a 9-to-5. Some persons found that admirable and wanted to replicate that. Some persons didn't want to be stuck in a 9-to-5 job and struggling to pay student loans if they had student loans paying, while other persons didn't like certain things and they wanted to do a reaction video because they saw where persons were getting views and their channel was growing from merely doing reaction off of what Keisha was doing. So saying this to say that I definitely think that should she start a Patreon, yes, persons are definitely going to describe. And I also think that she should start another channel for the kids. People want to see kids. People love to see kids. Some persons may have good intentions, others may have bad intentions. So I definitely think that when she starts the kids channel, what she should do basically is just video the child's interaction with, for example, she was doing a video the other day when they were doing basically virtual learning, and everyone knows that childhood education is very important for a child to truly grow and learn the right way. It starts at an early stage. The earlier you start teaching your child, the earlier you start educating your child, it becomes easier for them to transition into life as it relates to learning and applying what they learn in life. So with the kids channel, I think that she should at least do a video 2 times each week for the kids channel, and on her main channel, I think she should just do 3 videos on the main channel. And for her Patreon, I definitely think that she should just post 1 video each week for her Patreon. What I think the advantage of having a kids channel will do for her and those girls is the fact that the intro will not be surrounded by anything else other than kids. The kids will definitely get brand deals whenever they have a channel that is centered around kids. So definitely the commercials that will go to that channel would be more child friendly, and based off that, she will definitely get more brand deals for the kids. Now, as for herself, she will definitely have other things coming because Keisha is always evolving. For years, she has undergone similar threats of closing down her channel, threats of her business, right? Threats of her life in general. She has always been dealing with stuff like this. This might be most sensitive to her because it involves relationship, it involves other persons, it involves her kids. So this is definitely gonna be more sensitive. However, I know that she is resilient and she's always bouncing back, and maybe she is even more determined based on all that is happening, because what some persons do whenever they're attacked, it's either flight for some persons. For her, it may definitely be a fight. And when I say a fight, she may fight to do more, fight to achieve more, because she's gonna show you guys that no matter what you do, I will keep growing. I'm gonna forever be successful. And that is so true, because the court of public opinion is always in session, but it's never legally binding. What someone says about you doesn't determine your success. What someone says about you, it's just their opinion as they see it, and it doesn't mean because they have an opinion, they know you, they know what you're going to achieve and what your outcome is going to be. So definitely, I think that she will definitely evolve. She will definitely move on to greater good, and she is going to become a heck of a woman. She's going to develop this strength. She's gonna also move away from trusting people, and I think it's gonna be difficult for her to get back into another relationship. She may date, but she's not gonna want to take anything serious for any time soon. So I think she's definitely gonna focus on her and her girls, and she's gonna do well. And for anyone who has been in similar situation, no matter what it is, once you keep going, you will make it. Never let anyone tell you that you can't, and never let anyone use whatever has happened in your past to hold you hostage. It is up to you to make possible moves. It is up to you to become successful. It is up to you to achieve your greater good. Never forget that you are the author of your life. So whatever you believe, whatever you put in writing about you, it will definitely come through. The power of manifestation is real, and once you believe, once you keep working, once you keep focused, you can definitely achieve anything that you want out of life. So that's my message that I want to leave with you all. Thanks so much for your time and your energy. Stay safe out there, and see you guys next time.